आज हम कर रहे हैं क्लास 5th वी एंड आवर वर्ल्ड की चैप्टर 9 की बैक एक्सरसाइज. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. ताजमहल was built on the bank of river Yamuna. Fatehpur Sikri is built completely with red sandstone. Manipur is situated in northeast of India. Lotak Lake is famous for its orchids. Vrindavan Garden is located on the terrace of Krishnaraj Sagar Dam across the river Kaveri. Fill in the blanks. India is a unique blend of traditions and customs. Agra is located in Uttar Pradesh. The population of Manipur is the mixture of many tribes. The Mysore is a historical city of Karnataka. Our historical monuments must be preserved. Next is match the following. Vrindavan Garden is located in Mysore. Fatehpur Sikri is located in Manipur. Floating Park, Kebu Lamjau National Park is a floating park. Jewel of India, Manipur. Manipur is known as Jewel of India. Delhi, Agra, Jaipur are known as Golden Triangle. Now D part. Answer briefly. Name two trains that run between Agra and Delhi. Two trains that run between Agra and Delhi are Palace on Wheels and Taj Express. Question number 2. Who built the Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal was built by Emperor Shah Jahan. Question 3. Name the largest freshwater lake of eastern India. Lotak Lake is the largest freshwater lake of eastern India. Question number 4. What is a museum? Museum is a building in which objects or artistic, cultural, historical or scientific interests are kept and shown to public. Question 5. What is the special attraction of Vrindavan Garden? The musical fountains are the special attraction that showcase wonderful blend of harmony of water, colors and music every evening in Vrindavan Garden. Question 6. What makes India a favorite destination for tourists? India is a favorite destination for tourists because they enjoy the colorful festivals, dances and melodious music of India. They also come here to see the monuments, natural beauty, etc. They also participate in the adventure activities like rafting, skiing, etc. Question number 7. List 3 important features of Fatehpur Sikri. Important features of Fatehpur Sikri are as follows. Fatehpur Sikri is 37 kilometers away from Agra. The town is completely in red sandstone. The sloping levels of Fatehpur Sikri are connected to terraces. The town has a most well-planned drainage and water supply system. Question 8. Briefly describe any two places of tourist attraction in Manipur. Two main attractions in Manipur are Lotak Lake and Sindra Island. Lotak Lake is the largest freshwater lake in eastern India and is a big attraction for fishing. The tourists can enjoy their stay in the beautiful bungalows situated close to Sindra Islands. The Lotak Lake is also world famous for great variety of orchids. Second is Kebu Lamjau National Park. Kebu Lamjau National Park is the only floating national park in the world. The park is composed with massive mass of floating weeds. The park is famous for the endangered blue-antlered deer of Manipur, Sangai. Question 9. Highlight 3 main features of Mysore Palace. 3 main features of Mysore Palace are: it was the residence of Wadiyar rulers. Second, the place has a unique French clock that displays a parade by miniature soldiers every hour. It is now a museum that houses great treasures of paintings, jewelry, royal costumes and other items. Question 10. What role does a well-planned, well-developed transport system play in attracting tourists? A well-developed transport system plays a very important role in attracting tourists from all over the world as it reduces the time limit for reaching the places and makes them accessible. Second, it makes our journey comfortable and enjoyable. Third, tourists can visit faraway places because they are well connected by air, train or road transport. Question 11. Why are petrol and diesel vehicles not allowed near Taj Mahal? Petrol and diesel vehicles are not allowed near Taj Mahal because they create pollution which may harm the beauty of white marble of the monument. In order to preserve the beauty of the monument, only pollution-free battery-operated vehicles are allowed near Taj Mahal. Now let's do map skills. On a political map of India, locate, label and color the following. First, the golden triangle. You will write the answer Delhi, Jaipur, Agra and you have to mark them like these. Jewel of India, Manipur, and Manipur is over here. State where Taj Mahal is located, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is this. टू नेबरिंग स्टेट्स ऑफ मणिपुर. मणिपुर के साथ कौन कौन से दो स्टेट हैं? असम और नागालैंड. इसमें आप मिजोरम भी मार्क कर सकते हैं जो कि यहाँ पे है. टू नेबरिंग स्टेट्स ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार एंड मध्य प्रदेश. तो हम बिहार एंड मध्य प्रदेश को मार्क करेंगे. स्टेट वेयर मैसूर पैलेस इज लोकेटेड, कर्नाटका. तो इसी के साथ हमारा चैप्टर और इसकी बैक एक्सरसाइज खत्म होती है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.